How to make spicy grape juice. Firstly, cut the grapes into small pieces. Heat some water. After the water has warmed up, add some ginger pieces. Add some cardamom seeds. After, add the chopped grapes. Add 1 cup sugar and boil well. After boiling, just leave to cool for 30 minutes. After, put into a mixer jar and grind well. And take the juice and pour it into a bowl. Take a glass and add ice cubes. Add some lemon juice. Add 1 tablespoon sugar powder. After, pour the grape juice. And add some water. Add some small chili for flame. Now ready to serve.